Greetings to our viewers. We're back again today. My name is Chantel Mandete. I welcome you to Imbelego. Today we'll be talking about the journey of keeping your virginity. Nesfara Shilana, who's going to tell us about her journey. May you please introduce yourself?
Sanibonani balaleli emakhaya, igama lami uNqobile Qwabes. Namhlanje sizokhuluma kabanzi ngohambo lobuntombi.
Okay, we welcome you.
Thank you so much.
My first question I'm gonna ask yini eyakufuqayo ukuthi uqale ijourney yokuhlolwa, like what motivated you?
For me, there was no motivation. Ngakhula ekhaya wonke amantombazane ehlolwa. Ngikhula kunamantombazane amadala kunami. So ngikhula kuyinto eyenziwayo vele ekhaya, siyathathwa nawe again siyohlolwa. So there was no motivation nje, kwakuyimpilo ephilwayo ekhaya.
How did you feel mayihlala menithatha nisiyohlolwa? Like how did you feel ngesikhathi sokuqala?
Shame, it was exciting. Hey, it was exciting because ngikhumbula the first time sahlolwa eZimbankomo. So iZimbankomo indawo la kuya khona abantu abasonta kaShembe, you know. So ngithi nazi ukuthi kaShembe kuneyintombi zakhona. Yeah. So my mom had took us there, you know, singazi futhi ke nakhona. Well, I was still young, so for me it didn't matter, but my sisters were a little bit grown up. Yeah, so that was my first time engicabanga ukuthi memory yami ikhumbulayo, and it was good. You know, nganga understand ngoba phela uyafika lapha uyangena ethendeni amadokodo. Uyangena edokodweni and then umama bakhona ke bayatshela ke lapho ukuthi untombazane. Yabo? Uyalala ecansini umisa amadolo. I was a child, you know. So for me it was just, you know, very exciting. Uyenza uphume uhambe nosina nidle, you know. That was my first time engiyikhumbulayo sasiyeZimbankomo. Yeah. So I was a child. So for me it was bekungena before bekungena after. There was no feeling. I was like really young. I was really young.
So as a child, like mentally, what can you say?
Ngokugcina kubuntombi mentally, how did it affect me mentally? For me, it was a positive impact, I'm not gonna lie, because manje mase ngibheka mase ngimdala ngikhulile ngibheka iminyaka esendlule, I'm thinking ukuthi ngavikeleka entweni eziningi, you know, and ukwazi ukuthi ngavikeleka from entweni eziningi, it ikhulula my mental being. Because namhlanje I'm this old, I don't have a child. Namhlanje I'm this old, I don't have any infections. I've never suffered from any infections. Namhlanje I'm this old and I don't have inkinga abantu abangangami abangayigcinanga kahle abanazo, you know. So mentally for me it was a positive impact. Young affects her very positively.
So like since you're saying on your own side did not affect you, so your friends like and the peers sayizakho like abantu etukhuna nabo from school and the community, how did they react when they found out that you are going for a virginity testing?
Guys, ukugcina ubuntombi into enhle, you know. And for me, I was very fortunate enough when I came out to my friends as a virgin, they didn't look at it as a funny thing or a weird thing, but instead they laughed it, you know. So much that even my friends ended up going through the journey with me. Yabo. So yeah, I had a friend wayengahlolwa owayeyiphilela nje impilo yakhe, and when we had a chat ngelinye ilanga nje ngimcela ukuthi hey yazi phela ekhaya 1 2 3 1 2 3 ekhaya unakwenza lokho kini, I'm like yeah, and she loved it. Salihamba so to hamba naye wahlolwa. So for me it was, yeah, my journey was nca, even with friends and peers, you know. However, you will find obviously abanye abantu abazonifaka umoya, you know, bazonibiza ngamagama bathi nje bathi ninjani. Mina ke umsindo wangaphandle ubungangi-affect kakhulu, and also because ekhaya mina they were very strict, they are very strict. So nanoma kuthiwa umuntu angaphandle umemeza kangakanani, I couldn't let that noise come inside my ears because ngiyazi ukuthi where I'm from. Mabe ngezwa ngisho nangohlanya umuntu odobha amaphepha bathi simbonile kuphi anytime I would be in trouble. So for me, external noise, it did not affect me in any way.
So how do you manage to keep ubuntombi bakho?
How do you manage to keep ubuntombi bakho? Stay away from boys.
Like you say, you go for teachings.
Yes, okay, yeah. So obviously during the year, kuze vele nigqugquzeleke vele on monthly, you know, khona into ekuthiwa yintombi, you join a group, intombi zikhona ke everywhere, kuya ngokuthi wakuphi, everywhere, wherever you go, there's a group of intombi, you join that group, and then every month niyahlolwa, and every month niyahlangana. Mhlawumbe nihlangane eholweni, manihlangana gita, niyacula, niyafundiswa, so it was a monthly thing, yabo. So it was like when checkwa njalo with proposal. So that's how you managed to keep it, because uyacabanga vele ukuthi mangaganga inyanga mayiphela bazobuza phela ukuthi how awuhambi yini, because siyazi ukuthi on the last weekend of inyanga kumele uhambe uye campini noma kumele uhambe, if there's no camp nihamba nakumama onhlolayo nonke niyakhokha lo ma 10 rand ke, sasikhokha ama 10 rand, ukhokha 10 rand uyakuhlola umama okuhlolayo, uyabuya ekhaya, kuyabonakala ke vele mangabe ubuye uhambe kahle, you know. So one of the ways to actually help you manage ukugcina ubuntombi bakho was that.
So the process of undergoing hlolo and all that, how is it? Is it difficult? Normal?
There's nothing difficult ngokuhlola, guys. There is nothing difficult ngokugcina ubuntombi bakho, ukugcina isimilo sakho. There is nothing difficult ngoba akubhlungu ndawo mawuhlolo, you know. There is no difficulties ngempela kungaze ngithi uyabheka le uphinde ubheke le. There is no difficulties at all.
Okay, so nihlolelwa kuphi?
Okay, mina ngangihlolelwa e-Orange Farm. So kakune group intombi se-Orange Farm, yeah. So ngangihlolelwa lapho ke every month, yeah. Sasiya kulo mama khona nje sasemzini wakhe. So mama unendlu yakhe intombi, njengoba mama ohlolayo kubalekile ukuthi ube nendawo yakho la uzogcina khona intombi zakho. So kakuthi nje makuphela inyanga ngiyagibela nge-Orange Farm, ngiyahamba ngiyohlolwa and then come back home.
Okay, so kwenzakalani intombi mase ithe yajola or yapregnant bekumalo mama ithe shona
makunjalo ke intombi imele ichaze phela kumama ohlolayo, ichaze nasekhaya kubo, ikhombe futhi la ewonakele khona. Ngokomthetho kujwayele ukuthi kuyiwe kulo muzi lo ofike wona intombazane. Umfana kumele ahlawule umndeni walo ntombazane lo, aphinde futhi ahlawule amatshitshi. So mawuzohlawula amatshitshi, imbuzinyana nje nenkomo, emndenini kuyahluka ngemndeni ukuthi umndeni wona uzothini, but of course imbuzi yona kumele ibe khona ukuze izokwazi ukuthi igeze wonke amantombazane, because phela ukulala nomfana guys ungashadile kuyicala, you know. So umuzi wakini kumele ugezwe, intombi zakini kumele igezwe, so that lo mkhokha ungenzeki, because mase kuqala kulalo yi1 nalo munye uzoqala lahle, nalabo abanye abakhulayo sebezoqala bayalala. So kumele ke lo mfana akhiphe lo mbuzo ukuthi ageze lo mkhokha lo, ageze lobo nje, they must cleanse the home and also cleanse intombi, the group of girls lo buyijoinile nazo kumele igeze, because now usufake umkhokha eintombini.
okay ifike kanjani intombi yakho kanjani mina oyona
ibabhlungu because mase kunjalo phela naye kumele ahamba abhekele nathi siyintombi kumele sihambe sibhekele. Ibabhlungu ke mayisifika lapho, but ke uhambo lakho lokuba intombi at that time suke seliphelile vele ayisekho into ekuhlanganisa neintombi, sesingahlangana ke estradini sibingelela ngoba vele sazana, you know, sikhule singosisi and but so forth, but nje wena ayikho into ekuhlanganisa neintombi at all. mhlawumbe usungenza kuzobuka ke mabegida but nje awusena business because you've lost it.
Asithi kwenzakala ukuthi lo mama lo omlomhlolayo kube ukuthi ingane yakhe ayim-affect yena umama.
Iyam-affecta shem, kubuhlungu yazi, kubuhlungu because now sekubukeka sengathi umama uhluleke ukuthi agcine owakhe umntwana yabo. So nakumama nje kuba ihlazo kakhulu futhi nakusemphakathini lo mama lo ubukeka njengomzali ohlulekile ukuthi afundise umntana wakhe but uyakwazi ukuthi afundise abantwana babanye abantu, you know. So kuyababuhlungu shame kumzali, especially kumzali ohlolayo and then kwenzeka into enjalo ngomntana wakhe. Ibuhlungu futhi nje ihlazo, you know. So nalo mntwana kumele ahlale phansi, akusho ukuthi ngoba sihlolwa uma wakho kumele aqhubeke, naye kumele ahlale phansi. Ayisekho ngithi phelile.
So akasabahloli futhi mama
uhlolani?
akasavunyelwa ukuthi akuhlole intombi.
No, umzali wakhe angaqhubeka ahlole intombi. Yes, umama ohlolayo uyaqhubeka thina asihlole but wena usahlolwa. So thina masifikile sekuhlolwa thina wena usahlolwa.
Okay, so for yena ingane ngithi since ingase intombi nivumelekile yini ukuthi like nidlale nayo manje semfuleni nitokha amanzi ukuthi nihambe nayo? How does it feel for yena masehamba nani lina liyintombi?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyababuhlungu kulabo abasheshe bayibhubhudla mabebona abanye abantwana, you know. But ukudlala nokuphilisana nomuntu niyaqhubeka niphilisane naye, niqhubeke nidlale naye, but mayisifike ekuthenini sekwenziwa izinto zeintombi, lo muntu loyo akasaqhume ndawo. But anything that is outside ubuntombi, we can still do it together. Mangabe sasihamba so-2 esikolweni, sizoqhubeka sihambisane indlela so-2 esikolweni. If sasiya so-2 e-tuck shop, sohamba so-2 e-tuck shop, but mina mase ngihamba ngiyohlolwa wena uyahamba uyakini.
Okay, so for lona ongaseyintombi and wena ulokhu usayintombi, manihamba nonke esikolweni akakufakela i-pressure yini since yena obakho umntombi kazange asakhona ukuthi akugcine?
Oh yeah, iyaba khona, of course iyaba khona uzokuhlohla vele umoya, you know, because usuke sihalela lento yakho ngoba yena phela it's chai. Kuyaba khona lokho ukuthi abe nomona akufaka umoya and 1 2 3 1 2 3 kenzeka. That's why there's this song esasijela ukuyicula eintombini. Ish. Okay, I'll remember it. But there's just this song esho ukuthi abangani bangizondela ubuntombi bami. So into vele ebakhona le ukuthi umuntu nihlolo no2 yena decide ukuthi ayi mina sengishap sengifuna ukuyolala, bese buya ukuyolala bese sefuna ukuthi nawe uhambe uyolala so that you can lose leyo nto yakho, lelo gugu lakho, because ubuntombi bakho buyigugu, very precious, mele ubuphathe kahle. So yeah, it happens umngane wakho akufaka umoya ekutshela ukuthi hey bayabheda inana akwakho nje njengentombi kumele wazi ukuthi ufunani, you know, because angithi nafundiswa. Yeah, so kumele wazi wena njengentombi ukuthi lolu hambo ngilihamba, uhambo lwakho kumele ulu-understand and uhambo olwakho ukuthi omunye umuntu wenze nje uhambo olwa it's your journey. So you need to understand your journey, you need to understand the purpose of the journey, and you also need to understand umbono, the vision of that journey as well. So futhi mawuyintombi, you must have a strong backbone, especially esikhathini samanje. No must be a no. Into ongafuna ukuyenza awufuna ukuyenza, umngani nje kumele azi naye ukuthi ucha if kulolo hambo lolo, you must be a firm girl. That's one thing futhi sifundiswa yena ubuntombini ukuthi mawuyintombi iba yintombi, ube yintombi uzithembe. Yes, be tough, ungabi yintombi plastic, moya le nawe uyale, moya le nawe uyale. Mawuyintombi kumele ube yintombi nto uphelele, uzethembe ebuntombini bakho.
Manje njengoba sekunama lesbian, what if intombazana wamthistayo she's a lesbian? How will umama lo know ukuthi khona lo mntwana right but yet ulala nentombazana.
Phela usikelala nengintombazane akonakali because ulala nengintombazane, but akukwenzi right lokho because you are still fiddling with your vagina, you still doing stuff with your vagina, but ukuthi phela akoni, it doesn't leave evidence for umama ohlolayo ukuthi abone ukuthi no bekhona something inside here yabo. So kuma cases kanjalo ayabanzima vele ukuthi sihlukanise noma mhlambe uzothini ngoba phela lo muntu momhlola uyintombi, you can't say hamba ngoba uzomhambiselana because mawumhlola lento ifuna iso uyalibona ukuthi ayilisa khona iso lisenjalo nje liphelela lihlehlile linjalo, uzothi uma uchaze emphakathini noma uchazela umzali wakhe ukuthi umkhiphelani. So leyo nje it's tricky shame, it's really tricky.
But yet still no uzobehambisela.
Yeah. Afaka umhlehlo bemhlophe. Umkhapha ukuthi abantu bathandane namanye amantombazane.
Because now
bayakwenza lokho shame.
This thing is like fishing now.
Bayakwenza even girls emacampini iyintombi nto bona mina nawe siyahlolwa but mina nawe futhi siyaphinda futhi siyagana. Connect it happens.
So
It
what
happens.
situation is
siyakubona lokho phela ke but yabo vele ngikujaje futhi ngikucebe because enye into as much as khona into ekuthiwa sexuality. So if umuntu ipreference yakhe kuumunye umuntu wesifazane akukho nathi okungakaya esingakusho mayelana ne-sexuality yomuntu yabo okwethu ukuhlonipha sasikubona shame we would see it nasemhlangeni you would see it uyakubona nje abantu amantombazane wodwa ahlolwayo hayi nomunye ongahlolo ozenza umfana no amantombazane amanye ahlolwayo wafice ganga wona wodwa yabo kuyenzeka.
So what's your say on amantombazana lawo akugangayo?
For me, I feel like ayibulala lento yobuntombi, you know, especially laba baganga lo mgango lo onjalo, you know, nalo umalume bekayichaza nje earlier on ukuthi abanye abantu they will have a penetration from their behind. I feel like ibulala obuhle bobuntombi, you know, because masithi umuntu uyintombi into sithi umuntu akaze ahlangana nomfana. So if there's penetration behind, uyayingcolisa. You know, ayisahlambulukekanga. It's no longer beautiful. It's no longer good. Ayisabukeki njengoba thina si show, you know, njengoba thina si what we show to the world. When girls start doing that, akusabukeki kahle, like ubuntombi sebuyadeleleka. That's why you find people saying awasekho vela ama virgin. La uthola abantu bakhuluma izinto ezimbi ngobuntombi. It's solely based on izinto thina, okay. It's solely based on izinto intombi abazenzayo. So yeah, kungcolisa kakhulu isithunzi so gcina ubuntombi bakho, bungcolisa isiko, bungcolisa a lot of things. Nje it's kubi akubukeki kubi. Intombi nje aziyeke ukwenza leyo nto leyo. Umuntu akayiphathe kahle. Mangabe sefuna ukulala kalale kahle. Angalokhu nje manipulated because most wenze njalo you are manipulating the whole system. And oku unfair because bakhona abanye who are not manipulating the system abajezayo wena uyisystem uyisha ngasemuva awujezi, so it's really unfair and a corruption leyo basically. Yeah, so yenza nje ukuthi kungabukeki at all, kube into embi futhi nje ipenda isithombe sobuntombi kambi.
Indlela yokuhlola i-1.
Indlela yokuhlola i-1 ayikhenye uzohlola kanjani? Iyo. Usuke usuphuma ukuyohlola. Iso lisuke liboniwe ukuthi yeah full bese ke uyahamba uyojump umlilo.
Okay. So what's your say on imodern day life? Liyabona isikhathi sesiphila kiso lesi sis affecta kanjani le amajiji?
Lesikhathi esiphila kuso shame sinzima for amatshitshi because amatshitshi nawo abantu guys shame and sibathanda izinto you know so lempilo emodern nje impilo yobukhazikhazi I feel like temptation kakhulu ematshitshini I'm not gonna lie wonke omunye umuntu oyekile ebutshitshini wayeka because ebona ubukhazi akekho umuntu oyeke ubutshitshi bakhe ebona indlala wonke umuntu owayeka it's because of ubukhazikhazi so yeah that's modern life it's really affecting amatshitshi shame kabi futhi kakhulu it's affecting
So what should you say like yini yenza more like actually yini yenza ukuthi most they give away their virginity most of the times?
Giving your virginity away could be peer pressure, could be a pressure from umuntu othandana naye, and it could be iziningi izimo ezinga-leader indlala futhi you know indlala is yahanga kumele uhlanganise one no one and you think ukuthi losing yourself because mawusulahlekelwe ubuntombi bakho uhamba unqunu you've got nothing to offer uyafana nje nanoma ubani there's nothing that sets you apart from any other random girl osestradini yebo so yeah I think izinto enjalo nje peer pressure friends umuntu osukuthandana naye mhlawumbe uyakupressurize mhlawumbe akayi-understand lento akufaka umoya akutshela ukuthi yeah if wena ufuna ubani bani uzoyabo lapho nawe mhlawumbe ungakhulu kahle ngokomqondo and you fall for it ulali
So lapho kubomama labo mama lise-etheni lapha abafundisa khona lapha abahlola khona abalinikeza i-chance ukuthi babe khona ukufundisa amadoda khona amadoda abantu abanjani
uyafundiswa siyafundiswa
akukwenzi ube nomqondo uma uhlala ne-boyfriend okathi i-boyfriend eyiso izofuna into eso obvious akunikeza umqondo ukuthi khona wena njengomuntu oyintombazane ohlolwayo ucabanga into oyifundiswayo ukuthi ayeke uphile endleleni because lo muntu ohlangana so bayifundisa ngamadoda vele
siyafundiswa ngabantu besilisa siyafundiswa ukuthi umuntu wesilisa usuke efunani siyafundiswa ingqondo yomuntu wesilisa bayasifundisa nje kakhulu amaqhinga abafana bayasitshela ukuthi umfana uzofika athi kuwe kanje bese nawe you fall for it. They tell you yonke lento mawuyenza usuke uyenza wazi ngiyaxolisa nje ukusho but usuke ulazi iqiniso and usuke wazi ukuthi izophelela laphi because usuke ufundisiwe
so yini into abakufundisayo wena until the stage usuke usayibambile nawe uzofunda abantwana bakho uma ukhula babeyazi
into engayifunda kakhulu mina ematshitshini guys ukugcina isimilo and abantu esikhathini samanje especially abantu besifazane I feel like siyasilahlekela isimilo you know njengabantu besifazane so what I will pass on mina einganeni zami ukuthi angeke ngize ngitshele umntanami mina ukuthi umfana inja umfana ilion uzokuluma and whatsoever but for me it's all about her ukuthi zigcine wena preserve isimilo sakho you know that's one thing engayifunda engayithatha that I carry with me everywhere ukuthi noma ngathiwa kwenzakalani noma ngathiwa sekuphelile but at least you know have isimilo
sisinabafana le lapha ngiphila khona abafana banishutha kanjani bahlonipha obanakho ukuthi
abafana banandaba abafana bafuna into eyi-one abafana bafuna igce so nje angeke ngize ngithi abafana bayahlonipha ubuntombi ukuze umfana ahloniphe ubuntombi bakho wena ntombazane you need to make sure ukuthi umfana akabuhloniphi ubuntombi bakho uma ngabe wena ungabuhloniphi ukuze umfana ahloniphe ubuntombi bakho noma ukuze umfana akuhloniphe nje wena you need to respect yourself yabo but nje abafana cha shema bakaze babonisa ukuhlonipha ubuntombi bonke futhi nje the intention was to smash and slice Akekho nje umfana oke nje wafika wathi hey ngiyayithanda nje lento uzosho phela ngoba bo esafuna ukuthi but makuloku kuhamba yena lotho uyayithanda lento le sekuye othi hey mina wena ufuni mara ubani yabo izinto enja and futhi shame kwaku-Westnet because growing up guys niyaganga yabo you end up doing joiling stuff but ke uyazi wena your limit ukuthi we can jowl sohlangana la ekhoneni you know but we are not going any further uzumfana kutshela ukuthi bese you find out ukuthi lo muntu wakho lo yakuchithela mhlawumbe kuchithela nentombazane yabo umconfronte umuntu wakho ukuthi hayi wena sibani ini nani nakutshela ukuthi kuze ngithandane nobani is because wena awufuni ukuthi siye lapha yabo so yeah man ubuye abafana nje abakazi bakuhlonipha ubuntombi bethu I think wena ntombazane kumele uhloniphe ubuntombi bakho uzihloniphe futhi nawe with boys angikazi
Abantu mama bayavuka ukuthi ngidole awukhulile sahamba ubuntombi banike ukuthi songathola vele ingafuneki ukuthi
sikhona isigaba soku 21 years old uvumelekile ukuthi you know ubhek because sinanelento ekuthiwa kwenziwa umqomo kabanibani angazi noma ngike nayibona leyo nto leyo ukuthi ubani uqome ubani but bese kwenziwa into some tradition thing so uyaqhubeka ke uhlolo but kube kwaziwa ukuthi le ntombazane le iqomile lapha kwaZwani but iseyintombi because le ntombazane noZwani abakalali uyabo so uyaqhubeka but at a age mele umuliswe kuqala ekhaya again because phela mawusumuliswa abakupha leso sizathu sokuthi lelo lungelo lokuthi hamba ke manje you can start searching for a husband inkomo sesingayithola so yeah uyavumeleka ukuthi ujoyele after 21 mawusumulisiwe ekhaya again.
Do you think ukuthi khona kumele bahambe lapho abantwana abafana so that bengabi nawo?
Yeah ngiyavumelana nawe kakhulu ukuthi umntana omfana shouldn't be neglected ngendlela neglectwe ngakhona isizwe because the whole nation is focusing on a girl child ukuyiphatha kwentombazane isimilo sentombazane ini yentombazane but ababheki ukuthi nabafana also play a role ekuyiphatheni kwethu so ngiyacabanga ukuthi there should be something ethatha abantwana babafana ebafundisayo nabo njengabafana ukuba amadoda right amadoda aneqiniso amadoda anothando amadoda anokuthula because yabo isikhathi esiphila kuso manje we just have a lot of different men with a lot of different dirty actions which I feel as though singakuvimba lokho ngempela masingaba nje ne-men's conference yangempela iqiniso la kuthathwa khona abafana abancane bakhuliswe and they groom them. I men's conference that only happens Valentine when it's time to buy roses. We need real men's conference.
So uba into ungamsiza ngani umuntu manje siyafika emshadweni?
Ukuba intombi kuyamsiza umuntu mase kufika emshadweni wakhe because most semshadweni ngoba ngisho ukuthi entombini yafundiswa ngithi so ufundiswa nanokuthi mawususemshadweni indlela yokuphila indlela yokuyiphatha emshadweni indlela emele uhloniphe ngayo umyeni wakho indlela emele ikhaya lakho hold it together so nanokuthi ke futhi ukubaluleka ukugcina ubuntombi bakho till emshadweni kuvikela izinto eziningi you know kuvikela futhi nenzalo yakho kunento abantu abamnyama bathanda ukuyisho ukuthi ukuzigcina kwakho kubusisa isibeletho sakho njengomuntu wesifazane you know so it helps you so much that even what you bear as a woman ungabuli amathumbu ngoba wayiphatha kahle you know so kuyiphatha kwakho it's not really for you only it's even for your generation you know it's isibongo sakho abantu bakini abaphilayo nabangasekho yeah you know so mawususemshadweni-ke futhi it's a bonus even worse because now nawe ekhayeni la ushada khona uyahlonipheka yabo ukuthi wafika uphelele uyintombi into kuyakusiza lokho nabantu noma bekubuka emphakathini bakubuka bakuhloniphe nomyeni wakho uyahlonipha isithunzi sakho uba intombi kunesithunzi that no one can take away from you bangakuthuka bathini but uhamba ngokuzithemba because you know ukuthi nizokhuluma bayazi nabo lindeni.
So okay kunalento ethothi no lendiniza is traditional lendiniza yokuhlola. So what happens kulamantombazana ukuthi khona maybe abanye bama-Christians because Christians they don't believe in what you guys are doing. So what happens to intombazana lo oyenza the same thing but yet she's still a Christian?
Oyenzani ohlolwayo?
Ayiphazamisi.
Ukuhlolwa akusiyinkolo. Remember Christianity inkolo. Ukuhlolwa is not a belief, indlela yokuphila, it's a lifestyle. For me ngabe kuya ngami ngabe wonke umntwana wentombazane uyahlolwa. Ngabe kuya ngami wonke nje umntwana wentombazane ngabe uyahamba ayohlolwa Christian African spirituality or whatever religion that you are practicing. So for me I don't think ukuthi Christianity melingene endleleni yakho yokuba intombi because ukuhlolwa it's not a belief, it's not a religion, it's not something that akusiyinkolo. Christianity inkolo and ukuhlolwa it's a lifestyle. It's not even a tradition because maybe if singathi it was a tradition then it would maybe say limita because masithi a tradition. Not all tribes do the same traditions, but all tribes bayahlolwa. Angazi noma I am making sense. So it's a lifestyle, it's a basic for every girl. Nabo laba bama-Christian neBhayibheli labo liyabatshela ukuthi kubalulekile ukuzigcina njengentombazane up until uganwa. So yabo ukuthi even the Bible also supports ukuhlolwa because it does support it because it also says that ziphathe kahle up until ushado. So your belief nokuhlolwa I don't think ukuthi mele it shouldn't clash at all.
So what do you say to people who say that a violation of a girl child?
I don't think those people are right. For me I think those people do not understand what is a violation. Because if violation, guys, is forceful penetration. Mawuhlolwa no one penetrates anything. Akufakwa munwe, akufakwa ndugu, akufakwa sticks ementshisi, there is no violation at all. Abantu I think should actually go back to the dictionary and look at the word violation and then come back and tell us we are violating. How is it violating? Because futhi choice, okay, mhlambe maybe kwabanye akusiyi choice, mhlambe they're being forced emakhaya to actually do it. But in my personal opinion, I don't see any violation there because there is no forceful penetration. Uyahlolwa, uyabukwa, abakufaki even a single thing, no one inserts anything. So people should go back and check the word violation, then come back and say amatshitshi are being violated. Sebebuye ne-meaning ke esho ukuthi yini violation. Mhlambe we don't know what is violation, but I don't think they're being violated. I do not think so. Indlela banomona abantu. Abantu abayithanda into enhle. Ukugcina ubuntombi bakho is such a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful journey, and of which I think no girl child should be cheated that opportunity. Wonke umntwana wentombazane akahamba yohlangana namanye amantombazane alingana naye and bayiphathe kahle, bayizigcine kahle. There is no violation whatsoever. Umona nje ukuthi bona basheshe bayibhubhudla, and now suddenly we're being violated.
It's not about it's about is it all about
no. Okay, angazi-ke, but with me ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzenzela wena ukugcina ubuntombi bakho. It's for you usuke uvikeleka ey'ntweni eziningi, uvikelela naku-gender based violence. Ayikho umuntu okushayayo uyintombi because you are having no sexual interaction with anyone. Of course, gender-based violence ingakufica guys noma kanjani, you know, but ukuziphatha kwakho it minimizes izinto ezifana kanjalo. Not that it will not happen, it minimizes ama experiences afana nabo gender-based violences. It minimizes ama experience afana nokuthi uyofola ama-line amade eclinic, uyofuna ama-antibiotics ngabe usune-infection thizeni oyithole kamfana. It minimizes unwanted pregnancy. It minimizes ukugula, ukungcolaza. Well, now people can live with HIV, but guys, it minimizes ukugula, ingcolaza. It just minimizes the stress nje esiningi, you know. Awunanywi eceleni kwakho and awunankinga ndawo uyaphila uhealthy. It's more for you than anyone else, honestly. It's more for you than anyone else because if anything happens iyenzeka ku if ingane yakho akusiye kama wakho akusiye bokuthi awenzele omunye umuntu, it's really for you because if you get a child it's yours, if you get an infection it's yours, if you get ingculaza it's yours okwakho, so uzenzela wena. It's just for you, your own good, benefita wena. So ungayenza ke phela ukuthi noma ufike emzini yabo leso sithunzi nanokuthi ke mhlambe mawusulotshola maybe ufuna 11 cows siphelele nalokho ke mhlambe sekungaba isizathu. Cherry on top though, I don't think that should be your main focus ukuthi, you know, because ngesishade sonke ngesilotshole sonke, that's the truth. Zenzele wena into mawuzenzela wena yinhle because uyaneliseka wena. Umunye umuntu ngekazazi ungeke umnelise umunye umuntu. So do it for you. It's for you.
For yourself.
It's for yourself. No one else. Yakini bangaba proud bayishaya isifuba ukuthi yabo amantombazana la ekhaya ngoba niwabona galo. Ngeke nize nizwe ukuthi kuphi. Yabo ngeke isifuba ngokuyiqhenya. But it's not for them. It's for you. What I would love to leave for the viewers, guys, is that kubalulekile ukuyiphatha kahle. Kubalulekile ukuyihlonipha, ukuhlonipha umzimba wakho. Ukuhlonipha ubuwena, ukunakekela isimilo sakho, it's very important. Ningababuki nibagxeke and whatsoever, rather join, because ngempela uyavikeleka intweni eningi, you know. I mean, now it's January, people are stressed, school fees, stationery, nani ontanga bethu, yabo. And now you see ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi ngakwazi mina ukuthi ngiyigcine, because now you don't have all those unnecessary stresses abantu abagxine kuzo intanga zakho ababhekane nazo, yabo. Ukhuselekile nje into eningi. So awami nje yikho lokho guys ukuthi sukumani emakhaya ni look around, nifuna intombi, get a group, uhlolwe. It doesn't matter which tribe you're from, it doesn't matter what tradition you practice. Okwakho lokho, it's for you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, balaleli ngizwele lana ukuthi kubalulekile as a girl child ukuthi uyigcine nje, just keeping your own virginity into enhle. It's not only for abazali like she said or the community, but it's also for yourself and also where you are going ukuthi mabe kubona they respect you, nomuntu wakho ozokuthola naye kuthola uyigcinile la uzomjabulisa and uzomenza ukuthi ayihloniphe. And also ukuhlola is not violation nje, you just have to understand the process ukuthi it's actually a good thing ukuthi umntwana kumele ahlolwe ayiphathe kahle. Thank you so much. We'll see you again next week. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.